Hello guys, welcome back to Day Demons Case Place. Today we are going to be playing Fortnite. As you can already see, I'm here with the two boys. You there?
Yes.
Where did he went to?
Hello.
Where is the spooky brawler? Oh here.
I am here.
Wee.
Choose sunrise.
Why? I'm gonna
Why then?
kill him. Target him. Guys, we are gonna target him in the first match. I hate this map. This is the worst map.
Me too.
We're doing the combos.
I am the brown one. Krish, I am the brown one. Oh, no! No! Guys, what happened? What happened?
We both jumped.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so let's start. Okay, you can kill Adhyan while I will go and take my weapon.
Come on here.
Krish, kill him. I gave him damage.
I stunned him. No, my jump boost finished.
Adhyan, you can't beat me.
So that.
Ah! Why me, Krish? Why me?
You both are the same.
No, we are not. I am brown, he's blue.
Yeah, but
Sad life.
Now
I
die.
But
want to die.
but it's a 2D game.
Yeah, it's also that.
It has internet problems.
No, it does not.
It have server problem.
Yeah.
Whatever.
See, Adhyan, these are my combos. And you will never survive mine combos. Krish, see, do you know this? Adhyan, do you know this?
Yeah, I know this. I know
But Adhyan
the
doesn't.
God one too.
Oh, he just learned it.
Let's kill.
He jumped on his own. I didn't even do anything.
I got my sword.
We don't
And
care.
you're going to teach
We
me
don't care.
combos?
Oh, Adhyan using my combos, huh?
You taught
I
him
don't know
combos with
combos of
Hathodi?
this player.
Yup.
By the way.
I thought him combos with, you know, the, what do you call this? Sword.
Ember.
This small sword.
Oh, it has that combo.
Krish, that was me.
I was killing Hathodi, you came in between.
See? Why me? You are playing with Krish. See?
I killed him.
Krish.
Took your revenge.
It's my
I'm
time.
going to die.
Get away. It's my time.
Why are you killing me then?
Because you are
I'm-
trying to hit him. You can kill
I
me
am
once. Okay, you can kill me once. I allow you.
I was on 3 HP.
It's okay, you can kill me once. I told you. But first, let me kill Adhyan.
Why me? Why me?
Because you spam a lot.
I don't.
Promise me you won't.
I will not.
Okay, let's free now. Free play. You can first let Krish kill me. Krish kill me. Heavy attack. There's a thing named heavy attack. Okay, then do it.
Okay.
Now do it. The heck? Yes. Now let.
No, he was going to lose it.
No. I taught him. Ask him.
But he catched it.
Oh,
He was going to lose.
No, he wasn't. I taught him how to
He
catch
was.
that.
I am God.
See? Oh no! You survived. Adhan, why aren't you playing?
I
Just
don't.
kill him now.
Adhan, come. Die. Krish. Adhan, should I kill Krish?
Sorry.
What is he doing? What is Krish doing? He's just playing like a maniac.
I'm just focusing and
This is not focusing. This is known as a maniac play.
because I don't want to die.
You are a maniac. Heard it.
It would be so funny if you were killed by the bomb.
Nope. It would be so funny if you get killed by me. Okay? Now keep quiet. Okay. Okay, guys. So should I kill him? Guys, tell me. Should I kill him? I mean Adhyan. Adhyan, should I kill him?
Yeah. Yes.
Die.
You die.
Oh, heavy attacker. Wait.
Oh,
Then you're dying. You're dying.
I survived.
Okay. Krish wants to die. Guys, Krish wants to die. I will.
I was on red HP. I'm down.
Oh, Android. Then get aside and watch Krish die from the extreme bot.
Android. It remembers me of Dragon Ball Z. There were androids.
Yeah. Watch Krish die. Oh, playing with that person. Then don't kill me. Oh, wow. What a combo. Why is the CPU killing me? I thought he was fighting Krish. Krish is dying from without the extreme bot having weapons. Not die. No, not me, bot. Kill Krish, not me. Come here, Krish. Come here. Now, let's talk. Krish, let's talk. Oh no! Why did I do this? Adhan, this is for you. Adhan, this is for you again, okay? Adhan, Krish, don't come in my way.
But how the bot survived? I don't know. How that bot survived?
Okay, bot. You wanna fight me, huh? Let me fight the bot. Go away. Bot, die.
Bot surviving.
Bye, bot. Spammer
I'm
died.
not a spammer.
You spammed.
Why?
Boy, I killed him, not you. See, I knew you were not going to die, that's why. Now let me fight him and then go away, or I'm gonna kill you.
I think Karthik wants to die. From me.
You are able. Krish, you are dead.
No, in the next match. Kill him first.
Who, Adhan? The bot will come in the way, so I'm gonna die like that. Let me first kill the bot, then I will see. Bot, you can't hit my target, okay? Go away. Wait. I need to get my sword. Come here, bot. Botty bot. Oh, he actually survived by just a second. Why did he throw that bomb that way? I didn't understand that. I'm just playing. I'm not even playing seriously and the bot is dying.
In the first two kills,
Go away, bot!
damage
I don't want you.
from
You are annoying. I will kill you seriously if you do this. See? I just remember my combos and nothing. Oh, he actually survived that.
and you will not survive.
I know he's gonna do that boar. I knew it. It was no surprise at them.
The boar is a.
That is
It will
too.
hit you
Actually,
with
that is too OP.
Some people spam it.
Like Adhan. He has already been spamming. Adhan, do it. I won't kill you. What the heck?
Noob alert.
Nouvelle. Hello, boy. Oh, I didn't kick the extreme bot. Do you want me to restart the match?
No, leave it.
Adhan die from my combo. Oh, he actually died from my combo. Lord. I'm killing the bot. Go away.
I was killing the bot.
Okay, you can fight
You
with
came
bot.
in between.
Why is the
Now
bot
he is
coming to me
coming.
now?
Was you were fighting him.
Go and kill him. Okay? Adhan, come to me. I will play noob with you. Oh, bot actually killed you. And then who wants to fight the bot? Does somebody want to fight the bot? Do you want my help Adhyan?
No.
Oh, what the heck, Adhyan? You cheater! I helped you. I helped you kill that bot. Krish, can
Kill
you
him, kill
take
him,
away the
kill
bot?
him.
Can you take away the bot so I can kill him? Take away the bot, Krish.
Like you are killing me now.
Sorry. I was hitting Adhyan and you came in the way. Take away the bot. Yes. Take away him.
Please.
I will help you kill the bot now. Oh no, but that was me, Krish.
Like you are killing me.
Sorry, the bot was you were in the way of the bot.
I was coming up.
Thank you, Karthik.
I didn't kill you, Lucian killed you. I'm not Lucian.
That yellow person.
Yellow is Krish. Okay? Now keep quiet.
But I will target you.
Oh, you are dead, bro. What are you talking?
Yeah.
That is me!
You killed me one. That's why
I'm playing free for all now. I don't care if anyone dies. See, third party crash. Hashtag.
I'm killing
Guys, write hashtag third party in the comments. Hashtag third party crash. Write this.
No, why this map? Why this map?
Bot, kill him. I'm gonna wait for you. Don't come to me, bot. Go and fight him. I didn't even touch you, bot. Now you will die, bot. See, Krish the spammer.
Oh really?
Why did you third party me? I'm not even playing with you all. I'm the spectator.
You said free for all.
Before, but now I am a spectator. Go fight him. Boy.
No. I don't have a weapon. No.
He's actually good at. Okay. I'm red health. How am I gonna kill him? Oh no, the weapon just went away. See what? Why was he yellow health and why was I red health?
Player 4.
I was just playing for fun. If I get serious, he will die in just a second. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe to my channel and goodbye.